Hi, I'm Kuba, and today we'll take care of a really tiny machine learning. Did you know that ML models can be installed not only on a powerful machines with a GPU, but also on a really small devices? The Arduino Nano Sense allows you to install Tensorflow Lite models and predict directly on the device. In today's episode, we'll build a jelly-bear classifier using Arduino Nano and neural networks. Arduino Nano has many built-in sensors. The sensor readings are transferred through USB and displayed in the web interface. In the next step, we'll build a classifier. We'll use an RGB detector for this purpose. Let's start by collecting training data for each type of jelly. Using the training data, we can train a neural network, then convert into TensorFlow Lite format, and finally dump it into hex, which is readable by Arduino. Now we can compile the created model and upload it to Arduino. Finally, we can classify different types of gummy bears. That's all for today. If you liked the episode, subscribe to the channel and keep an eye on my blog. Bye!